Every web scraper tool out there wants your money. Firecrawl, Apify, and they all adds up pretty fast. But what if I tell you can just build your own web scraper tool with n8n? And that too absolutely free. And it just takes 5 minutes of your time. The concept is very easy. Let me show you. You know the best part? n8n already has everything you need built in. We have this HTTP note request. Let me just drop it here. Now I'll just put any website URL. Set the method to get and hit execute. But this is still raw HTML everywhere. With tags, scripts, styles, this is completely unusable right now. You can't feed this to AI. You can't do anything meaningful out of it. So what to do with this now? Very simple. We just have to clean it up. For this, we'll be using n8n's own markdown node. Basically a converter. It converts HTML to clean readable text. There we go. Clean text without any junk. Now you can actually use this to feed into an AI. You can analyze it or whatever your use case is. Now that's a very basic scrap. One URL, one clean data, and done. But okay, if you need to scrap an entire website, not just a single page, but 50 to 100 pages, doing this manually will be insanely painful. Stick with me, I'll explain everything in this next part. Most websites have their sitemap. It's basically a file that lists all the important pages on a site. This file is basically for the Google crawlers, so that the website can be SEO friendly. And that is exactly what we are going to use. Usually it's at /sitemap.xml. You see, each and every URLs are right here. Perfect. Now let me walk you through a workflow that have the capability to scrap an entire website automatically. Here's what's happening. Now, in this workflow, first we are just triggering the chat with a website URL. Then this Gemini node is actually cleaning it up. People type URLs in weird ways, with or without HTTPS, with random paths. This AI is just normalizing the base URL. Next, this XML node parses the sitemap data. Then this code node extracts all the URL from the sitemap. Could be 10 pages, could be 200 pages. Doesn't matter. Now here's the key part. We loop through each URL, scrap it with HTTP request, and convert that to a clean text. And finally, we compile everything together. As an end result, we have every pages of this website scrapped and cleaned, ready to use. Now this is solid foundation, but let me tell you how you can take this much further. Most of the websites have sitemaps. This is a very basic thing which improves the SEO and makes it more visible to your users. Usually it's at /sitemap.xml, but it actually depends on the developer. They might name it as sitemap-index. So to make this web scraper more robust, we will actually have to find the sitemap. This is how this workflow is way more robust. First, we are checking the robot.txt file. Most websites list their sitemap location right here. If this workflow finds one, then great, we'll just use it. But if it doesn't, the workflow automatically tries multiple fallback options. Sitemap.xml, sitemap_index.xml, etc. etc. One by one until something works. And at the end, everything gets logged straight to the Google Sheet. The website URL, the sitemap location, all the pages URLs, and the scrapped content. Everything. Quick heads up though, Google Sheet limits you to 50,000 characters per cell. So for a bigger scrap, you might have to split the data or choose a different storage. Now you can feed this data to your AI to find leads, do a competitive research, or build a knowledge base. It all depends on your use case. And that's it, you have your own web scraper now running on your n8n and completely free. And just like that, if you need something custom for your business, it can be an automation or a web application. You can just contact us at contact@messyprogrammer.dev. And if you like this video, just give us a like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.